Question 10 is 3 marks. The question has a lot of words. Let me just quickly explain what all this says. The question says there is a cylinder here full of water, and there is some box here, or there is a cuboid there with some empty space up here. This is empty. Someone called Easy will pour all this water here. They want you to show that after pouring all this, there will still be space. It's not going to be full. So to do this, we will just find the volume of this cylinder. We know how much water is there in there, and then we will need to find the volume of the empty space up here, and this empty space should be more than the volume of the cylinder. If that happens, yes, that means there is some empty space and it's not going to be full. Did you get it? So let's start by finding the volume of the cylinder. The good thing is, in the formula sheet, you will find the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Now, plug this information, so it's going to be pi times the radius is 10, so it's 10 squared h, which is what's the value of the height? The height is 33, so it's going to be times 33. Do you get that? Now plug this in your calculator. I'll just write it for now in terms of pi. So this is going to be 3300 pi. That's good. Let's leave this. Now let's find the volume of the empty space here. The volume of the cuboid is length times width times height. That means the volume of the empty space is the length of the empty space, which is 35, times the width, which is 28, times the height. Now to come to the height, the whole height is 20, and this 9 is full of water. That means the empty space here, the empty length, is 20 minus 9, which is 11. Now grab your calculator and write this. It gives you 10,780. Now we got the volume here, and we got the volume for the cylinder. If we now do find the volume of the cuboid, the empty space, which is 10,780 minus 3,300 pi, this gives you 412.74, or just 412. Even if it gives you just 1, that means there is enough space, so it's not full, and that's it, proved. This is one way to prove it. It's easy, isn't it? Now let's go to question 11. I don't know how to read that name. Zo, I think.